Hello, my name's Jennifer Kieffer. I teach chemistry and AP Chemistry at Hilliard-Bradley High School. You can see here my Canvas page. I have a page for AP Chemistry, which is also CAP Chemistry, the Kenyon dual enrollment class, and also for chemistry. We'll start with the AP Chemistry first. So on the AP Chemistry page, you'll notice that recent announcements are at the top of the page. And then under the Hilliard City Schools icon, there's Start Here, a calendar, and modules. The Start Here is a reference page for parents and students. A lot of general information about the courses on here. There's a little slideshow about me, and then the course syllabus, which you probably should take a look at, so you can see what types of content we're covering this year. It also explains a little bit about the Kenyon option versus AP. We do not have a hardcover textbook. We have a new online textbook through OpenStax, and this is the link here. The rest of the information here are just sort of my classroom policies, how things work. Here's my email in case you need to communicate with me, and there's also a link for the help desk. The calendar link links to my plan book, and so this changes as I change plans. If we need an extra day on something and I need to put in some time, I will manipulate that, and so students will see in real time what we're going to be doing next. And then finally, modules. This is how you can navigate through our course. You can either use the modules over here to the side, or you can use this page to look at each section. And there will be links to the different assignments and notes, the textbook sections, and other helpful things like this video. Chemistry is set up very much the same way. Announcements at the top of the page. The Start Here has some information about me, a little bit about the course. Of course, here's my email, and there's a link here for the help desk site. I also have a link to a calendar that's my plan book for students to look at. And then there's course content. I have the current unit highlighted in red. So we are going to be in Unit 2, Properties of Matter. And this takes you to the modules. And you open the page. And this will list for Group A and Group B what they're doing each day. Please feel free to contact me through my email if you have any questions. Thanks. Looking forward to a great year.